Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and this is Lesson 3 of the Locksmith Training Program, Cylinder Servicing, Disc and Pin Type. Now you can purchase this Lesson 3 individually like what you see in front of me here. It also comes in the big Locksmith Training Program book, and there's a kit for the hands-on learning section of this that you can purchase as well. Now I'll have all the links below in the note section, and you can take a look at them. Now let's open it up and I'll show you what's included with this. So there's really three main objectives here. It's to teach you about the disc cylinders, like a cam lock style, pin tumbler cylinders, like a normal lock, like a Schlage lock or quickset lock, and then the Schlage wafer locks. So now with each section, it's going to kind of go through a systematic approach to it, which is going to be the design, the parts, how to key them, common service malfunctions, and then the now you do it section. Now in that section is where, if you have the kit, if you're a hands-on learner, will come in real helpful because you'll be able to really practice exactly what you just learned. Let me just open it up to each page real quick and I'll kind of show you here. So here's the disc type. Kind of go through, it's going to show you all of that. Let me go to, and then when you go to the Now You Do It section, right here, it's going to tell you to grab envelope 3-1. Now this is where the kits come in. Let me open this up here. This is the 3-1 kit, and then it's going to have a cam lock. It's going to have a kit in here so you can practice pinning and messing around fixing cam lock. The next section is going to be, and then you're going to be able to check your knowledge. And then the next section is going to be the pin tumblers. So it's going to go through mortise rim, key and knob. It's going to talk about the parts of the cylinder. It's going to have a whole bunch of stuff in here. It's even going to show you how to shim a lock and key a lock and what to kind of look out for. Then when you get through that section, you go to the Now You Do It section, and I'll tell you right here to go to envelope marked 3-2. This is 3-2. And I'll just open it up and dump it out here for you so you can see it. So it's going to have a mortise cylinder, follower, key, and stuff, and you're going to be able to learn how to shim a lock and take it apart. So really, really helpful stuff. The last section is going to be the Schlage wafer lock section. Now, like all of the lessons that when you get them from us, at the very end, we'll give you instructions on how to go to the sopl.us website and take the test. If you pass with a 70% or greater score, you will be emailed over a certificate of accomplishment. So this is Lesson 3 of the Locksmith Training Program. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.